So that's the best sod cutter you could possibly own. We've tried them all, we've owned them all. This one, a lot fewer repairs needed with this Billy Goat. It's a hydrostatic sod cutter. You want to put it on the lowest notch. So when you cut the sod, cut it on the lowest notch, then take a shovel and cut it into manageable pieces. That way you can pull it up in pieces and put it back in pieces. Then take a flat shovel and just scoop that sod up. It's huge, man. What a savings right there. Get as much dirt on the back of that turf as you possibly can. You want to grab as much dirt and root. You go as deep as that sod cutter will let you go. And that sod cutter lets you go deeper than most. So you just pick up the sod and you just put it right next to your trench. But here's some more words of advice to the homeowner, the rookie, the guy that's going to DIY it. We're going to work on this side. So we put the sod on this side. Never put the sod on the side you're going to work on. You're going to be stepping on it. You're going to be wheelbarrowing over it. Then when you go to put this back, it's going to be really hard to work with. Just work smarter than not harder. Don't make any work for yourself. We're taking that downspout and this downspout right under this fence, between the two fence posts. Because right down here in that backyard that we're working in is the storm drain. So this pipe was on the house. It's got a sock on it. This was used for the downspout. It was buried. This is perforated pipe with a sock. It didn't have any stone. You never do this. You want to run a solid pipe for downspouts. You don't want the water leaching next to your footing or next to the foundation of the house. A pipe with a bunch of holes, that's not meant for discharging water. You want to capture the water and you don't want to let it go. You don't want to use perforated pipe. This is one of the biggest mistakes I see, and unfortunately we see it all the time. And a lot of times, by the time we show up, it's too late. There's been costly damage done to the structure of the home. This is a true DIY. Can't get any equipment back here on this new cement. The guys are hand digging, having to do a little pickaxing. We're going to take this main trunk line all the way to the city storm drain. We got a main trunk line coming from the front yard. Put that in there. Oh, that works out perfect.
It'll still be an inch away.
The 4-inch main trunk line runs down the side of the house into the backyard, tied into the city storm drain. Look at how good those white leaf filters look on this light gray house with white trim. I just love that look. On this color scheme, you can't beat it. Now we have to put the landscape back together. Reassembly is the reverse order of the disassembly.
If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up. It supports the channel. If you have any questions regarding this installation, leave them in the comments section. I'm your host, Robert Sherwood, and until the next video.